So today I'm installing the E36 M3 lightweight rear spoiler on the E36 Build. I'm trying to stay in production class and time attack, so I have to keep OEM aerodynamics. So I ordered up one of these lightweight LTW E36 rear spoilers. Hopefully it'll give me a little bit of downforce at the track. So Marcus and I are going to install this, and then we also have a few other things to go over. So once we go through the spoiler, I'll give you all the other E36 updates. Okay, so we just drilled through useless holes now that we've taken a second look at it. And now we're gonna re-drill everything for the proper holes. All right, so we have finished the spoiler. That was a pain in the butt. I don't recommend you try that by yourself. Marcus wasn't here. There's no freaking way I would have been able to get through that. I would have been so frustrated. It would have been a pain in the butt. The amount of drilling and the lining it up, and it's not just like an easy fit. So definitely recommend get a helper if you plan on putting one of those on your car. Now we're gonna tackle small little exhaust leaks. So we're gonna jack up the car and Marcus can get to welding because he's my professional welder. So we found the exhaust leak. I remember seeing it at the beginning. It was a little tiny hole. I should have got Marcus to seal it up then. Now it's like big hole. I can almost put my finger in there. Marcus will fix that up though. There'll be no problem for you, right?
Yeah, we'll see.
Just tackling the exhaust. I had my light dial just snap off on me the other night when I went to go do it. Luckily, I'm pretty sure I have a spare one of these, so let's go see if I can swap it out. I'm gonna come up here. Ugh. This is where I keep all my spare parts. Like when I found that engine mount. Like we got extra exhaust headers, gauge clusters, interior stuff, another gauge cluster. Oh geez. Ah, right where I thought it was gonna be. Bam! Let's go swap this out. All right, so Marcus has welded up the exhaust. Welder is giving him a bit of a tough time, but he got it done. Car is ready to go. So with the exhaust plugged up and the spoiler now installed, and I did that little switch on the inside so my lights will work. Next content is going to be from Beamer Fest at Grand Bend Motorsports. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and you guys can see the E36 ripping with the new wing and no more exhaust flooding noise. All right, thanks you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, before I end the channel, I did just want to touch on, so I brought the E36 into the shop because my ABS light was on. Actually, well, my ABS wasn't working the last time I was at the track event. Splat spotted this tire, which ended up being pretty bad. So this was the passenger front tire. I've never splat spotted a tire before. Damn, I did not realize it was going to be that bad. Feels shameful to be wrecking these $300 Michelin tires. So I wanted to try to fix my ABS. So I brought the car into the shop. We tried to scan it. Unfortunately, the car is so old, nothing came up for the ABS. So I might just throw some wheel speed sensors at it and see if it fixes it. The driver's front tire didn't really get flat spot at all. So I just rotated that tire to the back and hopefully kind of will wear it a bit.